This guide is to upgrade the 2014 Mac Mini to SSHD. There's instructions online on iFixit, and you're responsible for your own machine. So firstly, we're going to remove the back cover. We use a spudger for this. After the bottom cover is removed, we can remove all of the screws. We can remove the antenna plate. After, we can remove a screw from the airport card, and we can remove the antenna cable. We can remove the fan after this. Remove the fan connector as well. We can remove the Sata connector bracket. We can remove the Sata cable. Then we can remove the IR cable. We have to remove one more screw from the logic board, which holds the logic board down. And then we're going to take the entire logic board out of the case. Some forces required, don't be worried. I'm using 2 screwdrivers instead of a dedicated tool. We can disconnect the power cable, and then we can slide the entire logic board out of the case. Okay, now we're going to take out a clip so we can remove the power supply. Twist the AC power supply input by 90 degrees to the left. Now we can remove some screws for the hard drive bracket. Okay, we can remove the entire hard drive bracket, and it contains the new hard drive. Actually, I replaced it beforehand. This video was filmed after I replaced it, so you can take the Sata connector out. So I'm comparing the new hard drive with PCIe based SSD on a laptop. It's not as fast as a PCIe based SSD, however it does match day-to-day performance and opening applications that you might use every single day. The performance will improve with data that you use most frequently, as cache on the SSHD will store that data.